Hello guys, and welcome to our volume 9 of the 71454. All right, chord progression. And so today I'm just going to be teaching you something simple and nice. All right, I'm going to start with the right hand. All right, so the right hand is this. So remember, we are playing the key of C sharp measure. Alright, so this is our C, alright? This is our C inversion here. So it's 5, 1, and 3. So I'm doing 3, 3, 1, 5, 3, 1, 5, 3, 1, 5, 4, 6, 6, 3, 1, 5, 4, 6, 6, 4, 6, 6, 5. 4, 6, 6, 5, 4, 2. Okay, that's the first part. I do it again. 3, 1, 5, 3, 1, 5, 4, 6, 6, 5, 4, 2, 4, 6, 6, 5, 4, 2, 4, 6, 6. You do it again. You do it this way. This time around, you end with 4, 6, 6, 5, 4, 3. So 3, 3, 5, 4, 3, 3, 5, 4, 3, 3, 3, 3, 1, 3, 1, 5, 3, 1, 5, 4, 6, 6, 5, 4, 2, 3, 3, 3. Okay guys, so I'm going to go straight forward to the tutorial. Alright, so it's very simple, like I said. Alright, so we are going to start with C major, C sharp major, alright, which is this inversion here. This is the inversion. We have 1, 2, 1, we have 5, 1, and 3. So it's 3, 3, 1, 5, 3, 1, 5, 4, 6, 6, 4, 6, 6, 5, 4, 2. All right. Now it's 2. So this one is G major, G sharp major rather. G sharp major. 2, 2, 7, 5, 2, 7, 5, 4, 6, 6, 5, 4, 3. So that's all about it, guys. So I'll do it very slowly. Okay, so with my left, I was just playing something simple. 1, 1, 4, 4, 5, 5, 4, 4, 1, 1, 1, 1, 4, 1, 1, 4, 4, 5, 5, 4, 4. So combine it, guys. Alright guys, so that's it. I hope you learned something, guys. Please do it to like, subscribe to my channel. God bless you.